In this video, I will show you how to secret text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Type tool and type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Create Outline. Right-click and choose Copy. Go to Knife tool. Now we will cut the text by pressing Alt and Shift. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Now we will select the text above and group it by right-clicking. Now we will select the text below and group it by right-clicking. Go to Free Transform tool. Follow the process. Follow the process. Select the text. Change the color. Now we will darken the color of the bottom part a little. Go to Edit and choose Paste in Back. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.